हेलो टीएल रवि कुमार जी, आप क्या मेरे को सुन पा रहे हैं? टीएल रवि कुमार जी, अगर आप मेरे को सुन पा रहे हैं तो अपने आप को अनम्यूट करिए और जवाब दीजिए प्लीज।
हेलो।
हेलो टीएल रवि कुमार जी, आप मेरे को सुन पा रहे हैं?
यस यस सर, रवि कुमार सर।
हाँ 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 सर, मैं आपको को होस्ट बना रहा हूँ।
ओके सर।
देखिए आप शायद को होस्ट बन गए।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, आप क्लास चालू कर सकते हैं, हम लोग आपको देख नहीं पा रहे।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
मैं म्यूट कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को। ये सर, सारे के सारे पार्टिसिपेंट है, सिर्फ आपको छोड़
ओके सर।
आप क्लास चालू कर
ओके
सकते
ओके सर। हेलो।
हैं। हम सब आपको सुन पा रहे हैं।
हेलो सर।
हाँ, हम सब आपको सुन पा रहे हैं।
ओके सर, ओके सर। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। हेलो,
हम
बोलिए
आप
बाहर।
हाँ, सब आपको सुन पा रहे हैं, बट मैंने सबको म्यूट कर दिया है, तो जवाब वो दे नहीं पाएंगे, क्योंकि नहीं तो बैंडविड्थ सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा।
ओके सर, ओके सर, गुड। ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। टुडे टॉपिक है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एंड टूल्स. Okay, there are measuring tools, marking tools, testing tools, supporting tool, holding tool, sawing tool, planing tool, chiseling tools, boring tools, striking tools, impaling tools, miscellaneous tools, upgrading tools. What are the measuring tools? Measuring tools: wooden foot rule, steel rule, measuring tape, and caliper. What are the marking tools? Marking tools are pencil, scriber, marking knife, marking gauge, mortise gauge, panel gauge, butt gauge, trammel point, and divider. What are the testing tools? Spirit level, plumb bob, straight edge, winding strip, tri-square, bevel square, miter square, and combination square. Next, supporting tool. What are the supporting tool? Number one, workbench, bench hook, miter board, sawing trestle, shooting board, planing through. Next, holding tool. G-clamp, sash clamp, T-clamp, bench hold fast, hand screw, bench vise, carpenter vise, saw, vice. Next, sawing tool. Straight cutting saws. Number 1, rip saw, cross cut saw, hand saw, panel saw, tenon saw, dovetail saw. Curve cutting saws. Bow saw, coping saw, fret saw, compass saw, nest saw, keyhole saw. Planing tools. There are 2 types of planing tools. Number 1, bench planes. Number 2, special purpose planes. Number 1, jog plane. Number 1 में jog plane, trying plane, smoothing plane, toothing plane. Special purpose planes. Compass plane, spoke shave, rivet plane, flow plane, router plane, block plane, and molding plane. Now, sizzling tools. There are different types of sizzles. Are the number 1, forward sizzle. Number 2, registered forward sizzle. Bevel edged for sizzle. Socket forward sizzle. Paring sizzle. Sash mortise sizzle. Joinery mortise sizzle. Gouges. Next, boring tools. Boring tools, country drill, hand drill, brace, bradle, auger, gimlet, flat drill, counter, sink bit, center bit, expansion bit, shell bit, double chamfer bit, fastener bit. Now, striking tools. Claw hammer, ball peen hammer, cross peen hammer, straight peen hammer, tax hammer, carpenter's mallet, carver's mallet, carpenter's hammer. Next, impelling tools. London pattern screwdriver, cabinet screwdriver, ratchet type screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, nail punch, prick punch, single end spanner, double end spanner, ring spanner, box spanner, socket spanner, center punch. Miscellaneous tools. There are different miscellaneous tools are there. Edge, pincer, carving chisel, saw set, cabinet scraper, wire gauge. हेलो
सर सुन पा रहे हैं हम लोग?
हाँ सर. नेक्स्ट फुल एक्सप्लेन. Measuring tools for measuring purpose. Number 1, wooden foot rule. Hello.
जी सर बताएं.
Anybody doubt? Sir, anybody doubt? सर मैं बात कर सकते हैं सर उनका लोग का?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं सर। जो रेज्ड हैंड है आपके पास अथॉरिटी है उनको अनम्यूट करने का।
वह इधर ओके ओके सर।
You go
इधर भी
to
टेस्ट।
manage participants.
ओके
You get a list in your right hand side.
ओके ओके
Some people has raised hand.
हाँ
Beside that raised hand, there is some mic sign is there, which is under cut, under red line cut. If you click
ओके
on that mic sign, it will unmute, and they can
ओके
speak with you.
ओके सर ओके सर
Okay.
ओके 1 minute. Hello. Wooden foot rule. It has 4-fold, each of which is 6 inches or 150 millimeter long. It is joined in plastic and metal link, easily carried out in packet. Metal clips is provided at the end of this rule to avoid wear and tear. Hello. Steel rule to measure the small and medium jobs, to check the flatness of the surface, to mark straight lines. It is made from stainless steel. The divisions are in millimeter, centimeter and half millimeter. The divisions in inches. Subdivisions is 1/8, 1/16, 1/32, 1/64. The steel rule is available in the market 6 inches, 12 inches, 24 inches and 36 inches. In millimeter, there are 150 millimeter, 300 millimeter, 600 millimeter and 1000 millimeter. Measuring tape. The measuring tape is used to measure the length of job like a door frame, door shutter and planks. Made from steel tape and synthetic tape. The divisions are in inches and centimeter. Tape measure has a sliding end piece for inside and outside measurement. Available size of steel tape is 3 meter to 5 meter. Available size of synthetic tape is 10 meter to 100 meter. Next, caliper. Caliper, there are two types of calipers. Caliper is to transfer measurement from rule to object and vice versa. That means object to rules and rule to object. Outside calipers and inside calipers, two types are there. And there are two types of joints are there. Number one, worm joint and a spring joint. Parts of the caliper. Parts are leg, spring, screw, knurled knob. Available size 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches. This is called measuring tools. Next, marking tools. Marking tools, pencil light the scraping lines or to mark the planed area or to mark the removed area. Usually, carpenter pencil is in cross section, oval cross section. Suitable pencil for hardness is HB. Next, scriber, metal scriber for scribing the straight, square, taper and bevel lines. Made from bicarbonate steel. Available size 6 inches. The parts are shank and a point. Next, marking knife. To marking and describing lines on the job. Parts are handle and blade. Blade is made from tool steel. Handle is made from wood, plastic and aluminum. Available size 6 inches. Next, marking gauge. Marking gauge is used for marking parallel lines to the job, for gauging width and thickness of the job. Parts are stock, beam, winglet and pin or spur, made from wood or metal, that is aluminum metal. Available size is 6 inches. Next, mortise gauge. Mortise gauge is used for marking double parallel lines to the job, for gauging mortise and tenon. Mortise and tenon joint के लिए इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. The parts are stock, beam, wing nut, double nut, double pin and or spur, made from wood or metal. Available size 6 inches. Now, panel gauge. Panel gauge is used for mark larger wooden boards, like a wooden boards with example door, window and cupboards. Parts are panel gauge, longer stem, fence and a bigger pin. Panel gauge stem length can vary from 420 millimeter to 750 millimeter. Next one, butt gauge. Butt gauge is used for marking inches width and thickness of the thickness to mark the door and door frame. Made of steel. Divider to mark small arc, small circle, or to dividing dimensions. Parts are leg, spring, screw rod, knob, and a point. Made from steel. Available size 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. Okay, sir. Hello. Hello. Sir.
हाँ.
Sir, can you बात कर सकते हैं ट्रेन इसमें? Any doubt के लिए?
We can. You need to delete someone.
No, sir. All are okay, sir.
All are okay.
Okay.
So you want to unmute? I mean, you want to interact with the attendees?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just hold on. And now the attendees can unmute themselves.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If they want to talk, they can unmute themselves and talk with you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Understand? Any doubt are there?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
doubt,
No
sir.
No,
doubt,
no
sir.
doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. Okay. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the tramal point. Tramal point are marking big arc and a big circle. To dividing dimensions. Paths are stationary arcs.
सर आवाज डिस्टर्ब हो रही है
There are two big.
प्लीज म्यूट ऑन
Hello.
सर म्यूट ऑन
So,
करो
sir.
अरे प्लीज तो
No,
रिक्वेस्ट
no,
करो
no,
कि आप अपने आप
exactly.
வெயிட் பண்ணிடுங்க சார் ரொம்ப இறச்சலா இருக்கு
Sir, two sock.
सर वाइस इज नॉट
Sock is
क्लियर
stationary. Another stock is movable. Hello.
जी सर
Okay, sir. Can I continue, sir? May I continue, sir?
प्लीज
Okay, sir. Sir. Next, testing tool. Testing tool is a spirit level. To check level of the surface, like 180 degree, made from wood or aluminum or metal, cast iron. Spirit level glass tube is fastened horizontally, vertically, and 45 degree. Glass tube is filled by liquid or mercury. Next, plumb bob. Plumb bob for checking perpendicularity of walls or door frame or door shutter. Parts are wooden block and solid metal core. Straight edge. Straight edge to check the or testing the straightness of the flatness of surface and the edges. Edge free from curves. Available size 2 meter to 3 meter. Made of wood or steel with perfect straight parallel edge. Winding strips. A pair of perfectly straight pieces of timber with parallel edges. Usually they are about 15 inches long and 1.5 inch width. For testing timber for flatness. To check flatness of the surface or to check the squareness of the edge, that is called a 90 degree. To check the internal square, parts are star, blade, and rivet. Stock is made from wood or metal. Blade is made from hardened steel. Blade lengths are available 100 millimeter, 150 millimeter, 200 millimeter, 250 millimeter, and 300 millimeter. Graduations in the blade. There are two graduations. One is a millimeter metric and another is a British inches. Next, mitre square. Same as a tri-square, but it is particularly used for 45 degree. Same parts are there, same material is there. Only this is for marking 45 degree or checking 45 degree. Bevel square. Bevel square to test and transfer angles other than right angle. The bevel square is used for checking any degree or for marking any degree. Parts are handle, blade, and locking nut. Made from steel. Available size normally 9 inches. There are combination square. Combination square is a precision instrument for indicating of angles. Parts are blade, protector head, square head, center head. Blade made from stainless steel and graduations in millimeter and inches. Protector head made from steel to measure any degree and attached with the spirit level. Square head used for mark or check 90 degree and 45 degree. Center head is used to mark center line of the cylindrical job, round job. This is a precision instrument. Next, sawing tools. Sawing tools, rip saw. Parts are blade, handle, back, heel, toe, and teeth. Parts are blade, handle, back, heel, and toe and teeth. Blade is made from tin spring steel. Whipsaw is used for sawing along the grain. Handle is made from beech wood or ash wood. Length of the blade 50 centimeter to 70 centimeter. Teeth angle is less than 90 degree. It has 3 to 5 teeth per centimeter. It has 3 to 5 teeth per centimeter or per 10 millimeter. Cross cut saw. Used for cutting across the grain of timber. Whipsaw is used for cutting along the grain. Cross cut saw used for cutting across the grain. Length of the blade is 50 centimeter to 70 centimeter. Teeth 3 to 4 teeth per centimeter or per 10 millimeter. Cutting angle of the teeth 90 degree. Teeth has different shape to that of rip saw. Finer pitch blade is preferred for hardwood. There are two types of teeth are there. Number one, coarse. Number two, fine. Finer pitch blade for hardwood. Coarse pitch blade for softwood. Hand saw. Hand saw is used for general purpose. That is called lengthening along the grain and across the grain. There is a both purpose के लिए use कर सकते हैं. The length of the blade is 14 inches to 18 inches. It's a handle is a beech wood or a plastic or any hard rubber, etc. Okay. Panels. Panels are like a hand saw. See available many sizes and especially used for cutting panels for door shutters. Next, tenon saw. Tenon saw is a rectangular in shape. Tenon saw blade is rectangular in shape. Length is 25 centimeter to 40 centimeter. That is 250 millimeter to 400 millimeter. Teeth 5 to 8 teeth per centimeter. Main use for making short and straight cuts. Tenon saw is used for making short and straight cuts. It's a reinforcing strip is there to avoid bending of blade. Tenon saw has closed handle. Tenon saw has closed handle. Dovetail saw. Dovetail saw like as a tenon saw. It is same parts, same parts are same, and the length is 200 millimeter to 300 millimeter. 6 teeth per centimeter. Dovetail saw and tenon saw का क्या अंतर है? Dovetail saw open handle, tenon saw closed handle. Okay, this is a planer. Next, curve cutting saws. There are different curve cutting saws. Number 1, bow saw. Bow saw for cutting outside curve cutting, outside large circle cutting. It has a 2 handle, frame, strip, and rope are there. It's available 200 millimeter to 300 millimeter. 6 teeth per centimeter. Coping saw. Coping saw has a very fine blade held in stiff wire frame. Used for cutting sharp and quick curve. Sharp and quick curve. Thread saw has a very fine blade, 150 millimeter to 180 millimeter length, held in steel frame of 300 to 500 millimeter long, used for cutting thin wood. Compass saw. Compass saw narrow tapering blade, 300 millimeter to 400 millimeter length of the blade, for cutting larger interior curves. 8 to 12 teeth per 25 millimeter. Next saw has 3 blades. That is called the pruning, compass, keyhole. There are 3 blades. We can change the blades in next saw for a different curve cutting के लिए. Keyhole saw. Keyhole saw used for integrate and internal work. Now planing tools. Planing tools. There are bench planes, special purpose plane. Bench plane, jog plane, frying plane, smoothing plane, toothing plane. Jog plane parts are, there are a wooden jog plane. Wooden jog plane का part, stock, wedge, cap iron, cutting iron, handle and sole. a general purpose to plane along the grains, across the grains, made from steel or wood. It is generally available 240 millimeter length, 66 millimeter width, and 47 millimeter height. Angle of cutting iron. Jaw plane cutting iron angle is 45 degree. Jaw plane blade grinding angle 20 degree to 25 degree. Sharpening angle 30 degree to 35 degree. That is a grinding stone में grinding करने का time है 20 to 20 degree 25 degree देखना चाहिए. For stone से sharpening का time है क्या देखना 30 degree to 35 degree देखना पड़ेगा. Smoothing plane. Smoothing plane is used for smoothing the surface of the plank. Cutting angle 30 degree. Cutting angle 30 degree. Jaw plane का 30 angle cutting angle 45 degree, but smoothing plane का cutting angle 30 degree. Size is 240, 66, 65 millimeter. But क्या different है jaw plane blade and a smoothing blade. Jaw plane blade is a square. Smoothing plane blade cutting edge is a oval, slightly oval shape is there. Next is trying plane. Trying plane is for longer and larger than other plane. That is called 600 millimeter to 700 millimeter length. And the blade size is 46 millimeter to 56 millimeter width. Trying plane has double cap iron. Trying plane has double cap iron. It's a closed angle. Toothing plane. Toothing plane to tooth mark at face edge for jointing purposes, for jointing ribet joint or any ribet jointed angle सिर्फ toothing करने के लिए इसका cutting angle 0 degree to 10 degree cutting angle. The cutting edge of has a toothed. The blade cutting edge is a toothed shape. Special purpose plane. Special purpose plane है compass plane. Compass plane है for finishing concave convex surfaces. For planing concave convex surfaces. It is has a back iron and cap iron are same. Sole of plane is a flexible. इसका sole of plane is a flexible. Okay. The blade will can adjust the blade can adjust the concave and convex surface में adjust कर सकते. Spoke shave. Spoke shave also for finish the concave area, convex area or any plane area. We can finish the spoke shave. Parts are blade, cap iron and steel plane. Types are, there are different types are the types. Number one, the flat face, round face, hollow face. Flat face for outside curve. Round face for inside curve. Hollow face for curved in both directions. Rebate plane. Rebate plane for making rebates. That is called along the edge. Along the edge, एक recess along the edge is called rebate. For making rebate, rebate planes are used. It has a different size of blades. We can change the blade. for a different width of rebate. Okay, we can the depth of the rebate, we adjust the knob. How much we want, we can adjust the blade up and down. Flow plane. Flow plane is for grooving along the grain. That is called, that is used for flow plane. It's a 3 millimeter to 60 millimeter wide blades are available. It has no cap iron. Along the grains is, slot is along the grains is called groove. Slot is along the grains is called groove. A slot is across the grains called trench. Okay. Next, router plane. Router plane, the recess. You clean and level the recess. Clean and level the recess. Block plane. It's a used for planing end grains. There are a face side, face edge, and face end. For finishing face end. Block plane is very useful for finishing face end. Molding plane. Molding plane is to create any design. To create any design at the edge of the table or edge of the table. Four side edge of the, we can make the any design of molding. That is called a molding plane. Next is chisel. I can free speedily measure. Farmer chisel. Farmer chisel. All chisel has same part. Handle, tank, ferrule, neck, blade, and the edge. These are parts of farmer chisel. Farmer chisel, general purpose for chiseling any type of work. For along the grains, across the grains, curve cutting, any kind. It's a for blade cross section is rectangular. Blade cross section is rectangular. Chisel made of forged tool steel. Made of forged tool steel. Handle is beechwood or ashwood or hard plastic. Next, chisel. Farmer chisel stated is width of the blade. He said there is no length of the blade, width of the blade. Width of the blade means 3 millimeter chodai to 50 millimeter tak. It's a chisel available. Next, socket register farmer chisel. Register farmer chisel means this is it is used for heavy work के लिए. It's a heavy work के लिए. For like a mortising or any square hole बना के लिए use कर सकते. इसका it is struck by hammer or mallet or circular rod. It's a heavy duty chisel. It has a upper एक ferrule is there to avoid splitting of the handle. Some leather washer is used for this chisel for provide for shock proof के लिए. Available 6 millimeter to 50 millimeter. Next, bevel edged chisel. Bevel edged chisel generally for cleaning dovetail socket. Dovetail socket. For dovetail half-lap dovetail joint or through dovetail joint, spider of the dovetail, any dovetail joint का socket से corner में cleaning करने के लिए इसे use कर सकते हैं. Next, paring chisel. Paring chisel has a length blade. The more length of the blade, another. It is used for finishing the job, it is driven by hand only. It is driven by hand only. Don't use a mallet or hammer. Mortise chisel. Mortise chisel is used for making mortise hole. It's a heavy duty chisel. इसका cross section is more width and thick of the mortise cross section of the blade. It is available 4 millimeter to 20 millimeter width. The blade is ground slightly taper from face towards the back to avoid to remove the blade from hole easily. Joinery mortise. Joinery mortise is finishing mortise chisel to cleaning or finishing the mortise hole. It is driven by hand only. Supporting tool. Supporting tool, workbench, bench, hook, miter board for miter board used for cutting any degree. That is called miter means 45 degree, but miter board can cut the 90 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. There are different slots are there. Whatever angle we required, we can cut the strips to required angle. It is a miter board. The shooting board is there. Shooting board for planing edges or for planing end grain along with the dark plane. Planing through. Planing through is used to create or to planing chamfers at the corner of the wooden piece. So there are 4 corners. 4 corners we can make a chamfer through planing through. Planing through is a supporting tool. Folding tool. There are somebody all are knows. Folding tools are the important tool for carpenters. G-clamp. G-clamp is used for holding the job while chiseling or while sawing or while boring. It is available in different size, 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches. The parts are G-clamp, frame, screw rod, shoe, handle. It is made by forged steel. It is made by forged steel. Sash clamp. Sash clamp is used for holding the job, like gluing door frame, cabinet, or top of the tabletop. For the more width of the planks, we can join together through sash clamps. The parts are the log bar, fixed jaw, movable jaw, screw rod, and handle. The hand screw for holding the small type of jobs. Hand screw is used. Next, bench vise. Bench vise is a very, very important tool for engineering trades. The parts are stationary jaw, movable jaw, handle, screw rod, box nut. Vise have a parallel jaws, one fixed, the other movable, threaded, and out of screw rod lever. It is made from cast steel or malleable cast iron. Benchwise is made from cast steel or malleable cast iron. Carpenter wise, same carpenter wise, same parts are there. It is used for holding the job while sawing, planing, and boring any work और join together any piece gluing करने के लिए अदर join करने के लिए जोड़ने के लिए इसका यूज कर सकते हैं. Length hand tools is more length of the topic. Main length of topic. Okay, hammer. All are hammer. Hammer. Hammer is used shaping, forming, punching, nailing, and pulling. All hammers are made draw forged carbon steel. Draw forged carbon steel. The wooden handle is beech or ash wood. Beech or ash wood. Cheek striking portion slightly convexly is given to avoid digging of the edges. Pin is other end of the head. Eye hole for meant for handle. It is specified by their weight and the shape of pin. Hammers are specified by their weight and shape of pin. Weight varies from 125 milligram to 1500 millimeter. Claw hammer. Claw hammer to driving the nails and to extract the nails from wood. Available 250 milligram to 750 milligram. Ball peen hammer. Ball peen hammer. Peen has a ball shaped. It is mainly used for riveting purpose. Mainly riveting purpose. Next, cross peen hammer.
Sir,
Cross
sorry
peen
to
hammer.
disturb you. You have only 5
Pin
minutes.
with hammer is across the handle, used for light work. Used for light work. Available weight 100 grams.
Sir.
Straight pin hammer. The hammer head is straight to the handle.
Hello, Ravi Kumar
It
sir.
is used for
Hello.
riveting and extend metal frame. Extend metal frame ना मोटा से पतला कर सकते हैं.
Sir, Ravi Kumar sir.
The
Hello.
varies weight for 110 millimeter to 900 millimeter.
Sir, you have only 5 minutes left.
Carpenter's mallet. Carpenter's mallet used for driving chisels or for wood joined together. Wood जोड़ने के लिए मार्क यूज कर सकते. There are two types of head. One is square, another one is round. There are two types of head is there. Next is carver's mallet for carving purpose. All engraving and carving purpose. Next is impelling tools. Impelling tools, there are different types of impelling tools. But for carpenter के लिए important है London pattern screwdriver. It is used to drive more length of screws. That is called 3 inches length of screws, wooden screws. We can drive the screw with the help of the London pattern screwdriver. There are ordinary ratchet screwdriver is for to screwing small screws. Small screws means 12 millimeter to 25 millimeter screws are ड्राइविंग के लिए इजीली कर सकते हैं, बट हेवी स्क्रू के लिए लंदन पैटर्न स्क्रू ड्राइवर यूज करना चाहिए. फिलिप्स हेड स्क्रू, that is a Phillips head screw मध्ये for a Phillips head screws are screwing के लिए Phillips head screws. Insulated screwdriver sir, this is a specially for a electrician के लिए. And a nail punch. Nail punch used along with the hammer to drive the head of the nail below the surface head. क्या होता है सरफेस में इसका अंदर जाने के लिए नेल पंच यूज करना चाहिए. इसका स्पॉट हेड नर्ल्ड शैंक एंड पॉइंट. But there are different. There is no time. But this is a length topic. Tomorrow or tomorrow and day after tomorrow, said naya topic is there. We can meet that naya topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you very much
Bye.
for your precious time.
Here,
Thank you very much for your precious time. Ending this meeting.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.